Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiran's English Hub. We are continuing with the summaries of 6th class, and so far we have completed Unit 1 and 2, where we have already entered into Unit 3 here, and we have completed reading A, what can a dollar and 11 cents do, and we are moving to the reading B here, poem, a nation's strength. We shall quickly go through the poem. Yeah, this poem is written by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi and children looking at him as a great, national leader. Okay, so children are speaking about him and about his greatness. I'll first go through the lines, and once again, I will come back through the lines through the explanation. Not only gold, a nation's strength, the title, be reading. Okay, not only gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who suffer for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who walk while others sleep, who dare while others fly, they build a nation's pillar, the nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. Okay, so this poem is simply about the national leaders who have built all the pillars, great pillars, strengthened pillars of the country, and brought freedom to all of us. So we have got some qualities here through the poem, saying the people who want to build a nation have gone through these type of difficulties, and also those who want to still become the national leaders must also have these type of qualities. Okay, so what are those qualities? Let us just see through the lines. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Okay, so it is not gold that you through which you get the strength and courage, but it is only through the men who have lot of courage, who have lot of dareness, who have lot of enthusiasm, and who are completely bind to one type of quality, one type of desire to achieve it. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Okay, and also the men who have the quality of truthfulness and who have the honors. Okay, one who honors others, one who respect others. Okay, so those type of men can bring the strengthful nation forward, and they also stand fast. Okay, stand fast in the sense, you can see here, stand fast in the sense to refuse to give up. Okay, whenever the problems arrive to us, usually we try to give up. Okay, so these type of strong people, they stand fast, they don't give up, and also they suffer very long time. Okay, so we all know that we have suffered nearly 200 years to have our freedom, our independent nation. So these type of people like Mahatma Gandhi and all, they have suffered very long time and they did not give up. Okay, they stood fast. Next, brave men who walk while others sleep, who dare while others fly. Okay, and also people who are very much brave and who work while others are sleeping. Okay, so when others are resting, these people, these strong men, they don't take rest, they continue to do the hard work. Okay, and also they have so much of dare while others fly in the sense not flying into the air, just quitting that from that place. Okay, just going back. Okay, they don't have that much of courageousness to face what is in front of them, what is just forward to them. So few people just fly from there. Okay, they just come back or run away from there, while these type of strong nation leaders, they stand there. Okay, they work while others sleep, and also they have so much of dare. Okay, next, they build a nation's pillars deep and they lift them to the sky. Okay, as we all know, if we have very strong pillars for any building, then the building will last long. Just like that, the nation also must have very strong roots. Okay, strong pillars, so that the nation can be very much strong. And to build those type of strong pillars, we need very much strong national leaders who sacrifice all their lives for the sake of the nation, who have so much of dareness, who work while others sleep, you know um, who can stand for truth, and who can so much of respect for the others and all. And that type of national leaders can make a nation very strengthful. As we all know that Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great national leader and father of India. We call him as Jatipita. He led almost all the national movements, and all the people followed him. Okay, so since he was very strengthful, and since he was not afraid of anybody, since he built the nation pillars very deep, we are very happy living nowadays. Okay. And we can say the glossary here: stand fast, refuse to give up, and dare face difficulty. Okay. So with this small and beautiful poem, I end my video here, and in the next video we shall go through reading C Wilma Rudolph. Okay, until then, see you all. God bless you.